left-handed, but she took the packet out of her bag with her left hand, and she put her left hand just where the American, who was left-handed, had put his after I had taken that last tray of rings out of the safe. Just before I noticed that the flower ring had disappeared. "And what had he done with it?" asked Mr. Reginer. "It was like this," I explained. "It all became clear to me when I was picking up that piece of paper when the American looked so angrily at Miss Suskind. I noticed that he had stopped chewing his gum. Now you can't swallow chewing gum. You can't drop it on the floor either. You haven't got a waste paper basket here, and in any case he hadn't moved an inch from where he was standing. He must have put the gum somewhere well within his reach. Where? Where else could he have put it except under the edge of the counter?" And then he pressed the ring into the gum for the girl to take out when she came into the shop, and that is what she did. As the girl turned to go out, I found the gum just where I had expected it to be. Here it is. Look, you can see the mark that the ring made in it. How differently people react to the same happening. Mr. Reginer was angry at the attempted theft and most grateful to me. But Mrs. Kind, I noticed, only said, "Ta- uh, t- Task tusk." I noticed that she often says tusk tusk when anything upsets her.
So, how he concluded? The narrator concluded that the ring should be in the left side pocket of the lady's coat. How he concluded? Anyone will try to answer?
Ma'am, please repeat question.
My question is how he concluded. The narrator was sure that the flowering should be with the in the left side pocket of the lady's coat.
Ma'am, as he thought that by the strange behavior of the lady, and the lady came at that time in which the flowering was missing, and she had not accidentally dropped the paper in which her ring was wrapped. She had Ma'am, she had done it to gain his profit. Uh,
Your answer is correct. Try to speak it. He noticed the narrator was observing the woman's behavior since beginning, since morning, and he found so many things strange in the Americans' behavior also. American didn't know anything about the antique jewelry.
And his chewing gum was stopped.
He was chewing the gum. When American entered, he was chewing the gum, and in the shop there was no bin basket. He didn't move an inch. So when the flowering was missing, the American had stopped chewing the gum. So there was a question: what happened to the gum? He didn't move an inch from his place. There was no dustbin where he could throw. So this was a question, and he was suspecting the lady as well as the American since morning. He found so many things strange in the lady's behavior, and especially by that time when the lady entered the shop. A very costly flowering was missing. So if he had to enter the shop, why she had to enter the shop? Why she waited so long? She was not waiting for anyone. This was also clear because she entered the shop all alone. So these things created doubt, and uh, the lady was not left-hander. American was left-hander, but the lady used her left hand. This also created a doubt. So he concluded that actually gum of the chewing gum, it is very, you can say that it is very sticky, and ring doesn't means rings are not so heavy that you cannot stick a ring with chewing gum. So he understood that he might have used the gum as an adhesive, and he might have stuck the uh, ring at the edge of the counter. It was the only place where he can do it. If you are sitting and you want to steal something, you will try. Means if someone want, we don't want. Means if someone want to steal something, he would or she would try that. It doesn't take so much of time. If time will be taken, there is a doubt of being caught. So he concluded so many activities of the lady as well as the American. So he came to the conclusion that it must be in the left side pocket of the lady's coat. And he was expecting the chewing gum at the edge of the counter. And he found it there also. Now, two assistants were there. No? One was William Morris, another was the lady. Sorry, another
Miss Skin.
Another was Miss Suskind.
the lady whose name was Suskin.
Suskind.
But she was upset when the flowering was found, and Reisner felt very happy. She felt she didn't like it. She felt upset. Can anyone tell why did she feel upset? Do you think she was involved?
No, ma'am.
Last paragraph is there, na? She felt upset because she was pronouncing sound like tush tush, and she used to pronounce these type of sound when she is upset.
Upset, sir.
Yeah. So why was she upset? Was she not
Ma'am,
happy?
and she was also staff of that shop, and she was not, and at last she was not able to find the ring. But Mr. William Morris, which is also one of the staff of that shop, use his intelligence and find that ring, and he become good in the eyes of Mr. Regnier.
Yeah. You can say that it is just common jealousy, human
Yes, ma'am.
nature of jealousy. Sometimes it happens if you people are two brother or sister at home, and sometimes mother or father appreciates one, another feel bad. It doesn't like that that they are not good friends, or they are jealous of each other, but they also want the same attraction. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
यही होता है ना
Yes, ma'am.
घर में अगर तुम लोग दो भाई बहन हो या कुछ, तो एक को अगर ये किसी कारण से एक को वेटेज मिल जाए, तो दूसरे दूसरे को अच्छा नहीं लगता है। तुम लोग हमेशा ये सोचते होगे मम्मी ज्यादा उसको प्यार करती है, पापा ज्यादा उसको प्यार करते हैं, ऐसा होता है कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, अब यहाँ पे ये हाँ, तो this example I have given to make you understand. Actually this is, यहाँ पे जो बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग प्रोफेशनल ये की बात कर रहे हैं. Now she thought that now William Morris has become a hero. Reznor is very happy with him. So she also wanted the same, but this didn't happen. So story is clear.
Yes.
किसी को स्टोरी पे कोई डाउट?
Yes, no,
No, ma'am.
no, ma'am.
So we should start question answer, understanding the poem. Sorry, the story.
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding the story. Each statement given below contains a word or phrase which makes it false. Underline wrong word phrase and rewrite the correct statement in the space provided. The narrator owns the Reznor's jewelry shop.
The narrator
works at the Reznier's jewelry shop.
Narrator works in the jewelry shop.
Yes, this sentence can be written in too many. The narrator works as an assistant in the Reznier
As a
jewelry
jeweler
shop.
assistant.
Or you can write that Mr. Reznier owns the Reznier jewelry shop. Can it be written like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The Reznier sells high-priced modern jewelry.
Modern
Reznor
quality
sells
of the
Sells high-priced antique jewelry.
Antique jewelry.
The young woman standing on the opposite side of the Rezniers was staring at the displayed jewelry.
The
Ma'am,
young woman
A
standing
young
on the
woman
opposite side of
standing
the
on the
Reznor
opposite side of the Regnier was staring at the
Yes,
urns for the holding ashes of the
One
dead
by
and some
one.
photographs of gravestones.
You people start. Just a minute. Someone is ringing continuously. Let me take the call. Hello. हाँ, कौन? हेलो, थोड़ी देर बाद बात करती हूँ.
मैम वेटिंग रूम में मैम बहुत बच्चे हैं मैम, चेक कर लीजिए एक बार वेटिंग रूम.
Students are waiting. Thanks. Anand Prasad. Anand.
Yes, ma'am.
You had switched on your video, but what you wanted to show, it was not clear. Okay, next. The one. What will be the answer of this?
Ma'am, the young woman standing on
The young woman standing on the opposite side of the Regnier's shop. Regnier's
The young
was
woman
staring
standing
at
on
the
the opposite
displayed
side of the
arms
Regnier's
for
was
holding the
staring at the two urns for
of
holding the
Undertaker's
ashes
shop
of the dead and
Yeah.
some photographs of gravestones.
मैम वो थोड़ी
You can, only you can change displayed jewelry की जगह पे यहाँ change कर सकते हैं. Undertaker's display. She was looking at Undertaker's display. Next, the narrator showed the American 5 trays of rings in all.
Ma'am, 4 trays of rings.
Narrator showed the American 4 trays of rings in all.
First he showed 1, after that 3 more, and 5th tray was still in the it was kept in the safe. He wanted to see before that. Actually, he wanted to divert the narrator's mind. That's why he told for under 5th tray, but 5th tray was not shown to him. 5th tray तो निकाला था, लेकिन 5th tray के पहले ही this incident took place before he could display the 5th tray. So next, the young woman said she had come to the Rajneers to sell her filigree.
Ma'am, to not sell, to get it repaired.
Yeah, to repair her. Yeah.
Repair.
Yes, you need to change sell with repair. Next, the young woman hid the flowering in the right pocket of her purse.
Ma'am, left pocket of
The
her
young woman hid the flowering in the left hand pocket of her coat.
Yes.
in the
Two
left hand
changes.
pocket of the coat.
2 changes are needed. First, purse right will be changed into left, and purse will be changed into coat. And next, question number B. Answer the following question in about 30 words each. My hobby is perhaps a little out of ordinary. What is the narrator's hobby? Why does he consider it out of the ordinary?
The
narrator's hobby is to
study crime and criminals. He considered it out of the ordinary because generally people don't have such unusual
and Ankit.
motivation.
3 students are speaking.
एक को बोलिए.
अंशिका, चलो
Ma'am,
सबको छोड़ देते हैं. I am giving chance to Anshika.
The narrator hobby is to watch the behavior of the birds, human beings, etc. It considered it ordinary from the others.
Not going right. Continue.
उसका audio disconnect.
चलो ओम को दे देती हूँ.
मैं बोल दे.
Om.
the narrator's hobby is to study crime and criminals. He considers it out of the ordinary because generally people don't have such unusual hobby. This hobby demanded observation and use of common sense to the full. Normally, hobbies do not have such requirements.
What happened? किसके background से ये आवाज? Okay. So, what is the narrator's hobby? Narrator's hobby is
to study crime and criminals.
Study crime and criminals.
Yes. Nahi. It is. What is the? My hobby a little out of ordinary. It is the study of crime and criminals. Okay. So some students become two things are written now. One is to study of here, but watching. It is to watch the behavior, but
Behavior of the people.
It is watching the behavior of the people. It is his habit, is part of his you can say hobby, but directly the question is, my hobby is little out of ordinary. It is the study of crime and criminal. So you are not supposed to get confused that his hobby was to watch the human behavior. No, his hobby is to watch the
Criminal.
to study crime and criminals.
It is to study crime and criminal. And he considers it out of ordinary because common hobbies are
Generally does not have such requirements.
common hobbies are, what are the common hobbies? Singing, dancing,
Swimming, dancing,
Swimming,
singing,
riding, studying, running,
Cycling.
archery.
These things are common hobbies. But his hobby was to study crime and criminals. So he considers it a little out of ordinary. So now, next question. What is the next question?
Why did the narrator find the behavior of the woman
Ma'am, waiting room check कर
outside the
लीजिए.
regnier's
Okay, one student is there, no? Just Anshika. Chalo, okay. Next. Who was Shivangi or Om? Who will answer?
Ma'am, Shivangi.
Om.
मैम शुरू से की मैम उसको मना कीजिए
Huh?
मैम उसका मैम हो गया एक बार आंसर दे चुका वो
Om answer दे चुका ना? तो
यस मैम हैंड नहीं करता है
हम means who?
तेरे को नहीं मिल रहा बोल रहे ना
Ma'am, Ankit.
Ankit. Okay, Ankit you can answer.
उसको दे दीजिए
Okay. Ma'am, the woman had been standing in the front of an undertaker shop, staring at the display window, which held two urns and some photographs of gravestones. She had been standing there for about 15 and 20 minutes, looking at those undertaking. This her interesting in such things. Stoke, the narrator, has been strange.
Okay. Very nice.
मैम
Question.
बोल सकते हैं
बोलो.
Ma'am, the narrator find the behavior of the woman standing outside the Regnier's strange as she was looking in the undertaker's shop, but she was not wearing any sign of mourning.
Her behavior and her outfit.
Yes,
They
ma'am.
were not the same. Yeah. She was wearing bright colored dress, and she was looking at Undertaker's display. Looking at the Undertaker's display means she might have lost someone near and dear, but her clothes, her outfit
Are
was
different.
not telling the same. Next question. What is question number 3? Who will speak?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
her arrival
ma'am,
at this moment
ma'am,
struck
her
me as
arrival
rather
at this
strange.
moment
Why did the
struck
narrator find the young lady arrival at the point of time strange?
Ma'am, Shivangi.
Why did the narrator find the behavior of the woman? Sorry. Her arrival at that
Arrival of the woman.
Arrival.
her arrival at that moment struck me rather strange. Why did the narrator find the young lady's arrival at that point of time strange? Who wants to answer?
Ma'am, Shivangi.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, Ankit.
1 minute. Ankit has answered. Shivangi has answered. Even Harshvardhan has answered. I think Pavni
No,
has not.
ma'am. Ma'am, I have not answered.
Okay, then Shivangi will continue.
The lady had been standing outside the undertaker's shop opposite the Regniers for about 15 to 20 minutes, but she entered at the crucial moment when the ring had disappeared. Everyone was searching for the ring. That's why the narrator felt it strange and could accept her entry as purely coincidental.
Her arrival at that moment struck me rather strange. Okay, this is within inverted comma. Why did the narrator find the young lady's arrival at that point of time strange? The lady was waiting outside the shop for a very long time. She entered the shop.
If she has to come in, why she had waited for a long time?
Yeah, if she had to enter the shop, why did she wait for so long? And she entered the shop when a very costly flowering was missing.
Disappeared.
it was disappeared. So it was this struck him rather strange. Next, what is the question?
Do you think the young lady had
Do you think
accidentally
the
dropped
young
the
lady
paper
had
in which her
accidentally
brooch was
dropped the
wrapped?
paper
When
in
If
which
not, why did she do so?
you started speaking, before that who was speaking? If someone starts, let him or her continue. Okay, chalo. Who will answer the question?
Om.
One to
Ankit.
answer. No one else.
Om.
Okay, Om. Answer.
Can I answer?
No, I don't think the lady had accidentally dropped the paper in which her brooch was wrapped. She did it deliberately because she was the part of the well-made plan of stealing the ring from the Regniers. She pretended to drop the paper accidentally to get the time to take ring from the counter where the American had stuck it with the chewing gum.
Nice. Harshvardhan, will you answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I think the lady had not accidentally dropped the paper in which her brooch was wrapped, as she was also a plan, as she was uh, as she was the partner of the as she was the partner of the American, uh, and and her behavior also seemed by William Morris was so strange. She came at that point in which a very precious flower ring was missed. She dropped the paper to take the flower ring, which was stuck by the American in the edge of the counter, so that she can take that ring and run out of the shop.
Ashish, will you answer? Ashish, are you listening me? Pavni? Okay, Ashish.
Can Mani answer?
Ashish, Manvi. Okay.
Ma'am,
Ashish?
No, I don't think.
Chalo. Who is speaking? Pavni or Shivangi?
Manvi.
Manvi. Okay.
No, I don't think the young lady had accidentally dropped the paper in which her brooch was wrapped. She wanted to divert the narrator so that she can drop the flower ring at the edge of the table.
Very good. Question. What is the question? Question is, do you think the young lady had accidentally dropped the paper in which her brooch was wrapped? No, I don't think the lady had accidentally dropped the paper in which her brooch was wrapped. She did it intentionally to divert the narrator's.
Ma'am, she pretended to drop the paper accidentally to get time to take ring from the counter where the American had stuck it with the chewing gum.
She wanted to divert. इसके mind को divert. She wanted to divert the narrator's mind. She wanted to take some time so that she could take out the brooch. Next, sorry, take out the ring. Next, do you think? Sorry, where did the narrator find the ring from? Who will answer?
ma'am, under the edge of the counter.
Question is, where did the narrator find the ring from?
From
From the left hand pocket of the